How to make delicious breakfast. For the French toast, add some eggs, milk, and sugar. Mix the egg batter well. Then, put the bread on top of the batter. Let it soak in. Then keep the bread onto the frying pan and let it sit until it's golden brown. And your French toast is ready. Voila! Delicious French toast. For the first omelette, let's crack some eggs. And let's add some spices. Like red chili pepper, salt, and maybe a bit of turmeric. And put it on the frying pan and it's ready. Delicious. For the second one, we do the same steps, but this time we're going to add some onions and some olives. Then we mix it up really well. And voila! Your delicious breakfast is ready to be served.